Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures to know the upcoming directional moves of natural gas futures during the upcoming week. Natural gas, being the most liquid commodity of the world, always remain very indecisive. Most of the time it behaves against all odds, and this is the reason which makes it very difficult to map the upcoming moves of natural gas futures. On analysis of the movement of natural gas futures during the last 15 years of time span, I find that sometimes natural gas price moves against all odds with steep moves which negate all the fundamentals. First of all, I find only one reason behind this unexpected direction moves is changing sentiments of traders who always remain swinging amid fear and greed more than any other factor. And the quantum of fear and greed always remain on the top of the agenda for everyone while trading natural gas. Well, the natural gas traders always look too anxious after a gap up or a gap down opening on the first trading session of the week. Weekly opening levels always play an important role in diverting public sentiments in a particular direction. If the public finds a gap up, bears feel too eager to short, while on the other hand bulls feel full of renewed energy to come back in full swing, and finally both of them start to neglect all other factors and the public sentiments come at the front stage, which brings attitudinal change in the directional move of natural gas futures all of a sudden in the opposite direction. So before proceeding further, let us see how the upcoming gap up or gap down may motivate both the bulls and the bears well, especially at the time when the natural gas futures are currently trading at the lowest levels of the season before the advent of summers. No doubt that the oversupply issue in natural gas look too supportive for natural gas bears, which compels to sell every upward rally till the natural gas futures create a sustainable move above the level of $2.888, and above this range I find the thick presence of natural gas bears in the range of $2.912 to $2.967. Between this range I find there is also the thick presence of bears who would prefer to sell every upward move of natural gas futures. But I find that a sustainable move above the level of $2.989 will result in sharp upward moves where the natural gas bulls will try to cross 200 days moving average, which is currently at the level of $3.116 during the upcoming weeks. Now, before proceeding further, I would like to analyze this daily chart in different time frames. Let us see the expected trading zones for the week of May 19, 2019 in a 4-hour time frame, where the natural gas futures have closed at the level of $2.624, where the bulls find it too attractive to go long, and I find that the closing level on the last trading day of the previous week will result in a gap up opening amid this zone, and I find that from here we may see a sharp upward move in natural gas futures up to the level of $2.712, where the natural gas futures will try to sustain for some time before moving more upward. And on the other hand, if the natural gas futures find a gap up opening amid this zone above the level of $2.712, we will see the natural gas futures to remain under the control of bulls, where they will try to sustain amid this zone up to the level of $3. No doubt before the level of $3 they will have to face stiff resistance between the level of $2.912 to $2.988, where a sustainable move will encourage bulls to go towards the level of $3, and on the downside my gap down opening may be amid this zone at the level of $2.614, where I find a thick presence of natural gas bulls at the level of $2.563, where the natural gas bulls will try to take long position for an immediate target up to the level of $2.667, where a sustainable move will encourage more bulls to go long, and I find if we see a sustainable move above the level of $2.667 during the upcoming week, we will see sharp upward moves up to the levels of $2.888, where we may find the natural gas bulls to move more upward for their immediate target of $3, because the current levels of natural gas stockpiles is not sufficient to meet the upcoming cooling demand in the summer season, and my stop loss levels will be at the level of $2.512, and I find that the natural gas futures will find a good support above the level of $2.548, where I find a thick presence of natural gas bulls would prefer to go long for a short term target of $2.767. Here I would like to explain about the current position of moving averages, where we can see that all the moving averages have crossed the 200 days moving average in a 4-hour time frame, which makes it evident enough for the continuity of an uptrend in natural gas futures, where we will find the natural gas futures to move more sharpward after crossing the levels of $2.667. We will see sharp upward moves, and no doubt that after crossing the levels of $2.889, we will find natural gas futures will see more short covering rallies up to the levels of $3, because this formation of a golden cross in a 4-hour chart confirms the continuity of an uptrend in natural gas futures. So friends, be ready to see an action in natural gas futures. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.